हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा वर्लपूल इंडिया लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइज, वर्लपूल ऑफ इंडिया शेयर प्राइस स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 1512 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 1740। 1740 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। Sector consumer durable, industry, electronics, electricals. This is the technical chart. Whirlpool India Limited. Current market price 1512 with a target price of rupees 1740. Insights, key metrics, returns. Whirlpool India share price insights intraday fact check. In the last 13 years, only 2.49% trading season saw intraday gains higher than 5%. Okay. Key metrics: PE ratio 73.98, EPS TTM 20.44, market capital 19,184.92 crore, sectoral market capital rank 7, PB ratio 5.46, dividend yearly 0.33, face value 10, beta 1.13, VWAP 1513.45, 52-week low high 1917 and 1365.10. Okay. Whirlpool India share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. Whirlpool India news and analysis. Whirlpool India share analyze. Recommendation: strong buy. Okay. Financials: quarterly annual September 2022. Ratios: cash flow, balance sheets and income, profit and loss. Okay, total income 1633.88, total income growth plus minus 22.66, total expenses 1564.16, total expenses minus 21.63, EBITDA 69.73, EBITDA minus 40.30, profit after tax PAT 47.93, PAT growth minus 42.75, EBITDA margin 4.27, net profit margin 2.93, basic EPS 3.78. Okay, forecast. Technicals. Technicals. 43% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. 56% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels: classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3 pivot 1510.98, ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison. This is the technical chart. Whirlpool India Discontech and Crompton Graves and Bajaj Electricals. Ratios performs. Okay, stock returns versus Nifty Midcap 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of minus 35.45% as compared to Nifty Midcap 100, which gave a return of 81.18% as of last trading season. Okay, shareholding pattern. Total shareholdings. Quarter-on-quarter change. Category 30 September 2022. Promoters 75 point, pledge 0.00, FII 0.00, DII 12.49, mutual funds 10.03, others 12.51. Okay, mutual fund ownership. Okay, first Kotak Emerging Equity Direct Growth Equity Midcap, rating 4-star, amount invested 480.36 crore, 2.07% annual plus 16.32% change month to month basis. Okay. Then second, Aditya Birla SL Flexicap Direct Growth Equity Flexicap, rating 3-star, amount invested 134.83% crore, 0.8% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then third, Canara Robeco Emerging Equity Large Cap and Mid Cap, rating 4-star, amount invested 96.31 crore and 0.61% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay. Corporate action. Whirlpool India dividend, others, and corporate action. About Whirlpool India. Whirlpool of India Limited, incorporated in the year 1960, is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 19,103.73 crore, operating in consumer durable sector. Whirlpool of India Limited key product revenue segment include domestic appliances, sale of services and export incentives. For the year ending 31st March 2022, okay, financials. For the quarter ended 30 September 2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1,633.88 crore, down 22.66% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 2,112.72 crore and up 53% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 1,625.23 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 49.02 crore in latest quarter. Okay. Company has Muska and Associates as its auditors as on 30 September 2022. The company has total of 12.69 crore shares outstanding. Okay. Arvind Uppal, Chairman and Independent Director, and Vishal Bhola, Managing Director. Industry, Electronics and Electricals. Location, plot number A4, MIDC, Ranjangaon, Taluka, Shirur, Pune, District, Maharashtra 412220, India. Okay. Whirlpool of India share price, stock analysis and Recos. Current market price 1512.15 with a target प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 1740, 1740 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ओके सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.